At the outset, let me express Pakistan's unwavering and steadfast support to the sovereignty, unity, and territorial integrity of the Federal Republic of Somalia. We strongly condemn the unilateral and unlawful recognition by Israel of the Somaliland region of the Federal Republic of Somalia. It is a direct assault on Somalia's internationally recognized borders and constitutes a flagrant violation of international law. The Somaliland region remains an integral, inseparable, and inalienable part of Somalia. No external actor has either the legal standing or the moral authority to alter that fundamental reality. A group of OIC countries, including Pakistan, has unequivocally rejected Israel's unlawful move, noting its serious repercussions for peace and security in the Horn of Africa, the Red Sea region, and international peace and security as a whole. The joint statement terms the recognition of parts of states a violation of the cardinal principles of international law and the United Nations Charter. Mr. President, against the backdrop of Israel's previous references to Somaliland of the Federal Republic of Somalia as a destination for the deportation of Palestinian people, especially from Gaza, its unlawful recognition of Somaliland region of Somalia is deeply troubling. For decades, Israel's dispossession and occupation of Palestinian land have been a central source of instability and conflict in the Middle East. It is now exporting this destabilizing conduct to the Horn of Africa with serious implications for regional peace and security. Pakistan unequivocally rejects any proposals or plans aimed at the forced displacement of Palestinians.